Don't try to save face.
I've never done that.
Whatever you say.
Oh my god, what the hell is that? What the hell was that?
That was just a funny sound effect.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
Shocked the shit out of me.
something's pretty sussy around here.
She shocked the shit out of me.
Is it bad that I laughed at that sound? I think it lightened the mood.
Evil, do you have pipes?
There's no way.
I don't have any plumbing. It's a real issue. You could call me unplugged.
Pipes.
I can't even make that sound.
Okay. I don't think that's what I was asking for, but thank you still.
Oh, they don't have one.
Their father keeps taking it away from them because it can get pretty loud.
Why?
I don't know. He